Hello and welcome. This is Rodney with Blockchain Rain. Okay, so Bitcoin set for largest bull run in history, says Maddie Greenspan. All right, this is an article on EthereumWorldNews.com. Link will be in the description below. All right, so let's get started. We all know that Bitcoin definitely has hit an all-time high over the last 2 months. So let's see what this article is saying here. All right, so Maddie Greenspan, a senior analyst at eToro, thinks that Bitcoin seems to be on the cusp of a massive price rally. The top ranked cryptocurrency has begun the week strongly despite a 3% decline over the weekend. So, as we remember what happened over the weekend, Bitcoin did drop to, I think it may have got all the way down to about 7,200, and this is after reaching what 74, going over 74, is when the buzz really started. So again, we know that Bitcoin right now is like over 76 hundred right now. So all right, so Monday begins with 300 Bitcoin, $300 Bitcoin recovery. All right, so today, July 23rd, 2018, Bitcoin has moved up by $300, eroding the 3% loss suffered over the weekend. Trading volumes during the weekend period are notoriously low, so it was no surprise seeing the top ranked coin slipping to 73.99 on Sunday. At present, Bitcoin is back above 7,600, and bulls are hopeful of an $8,000 push today as the market progresses. $400 increase in one day. Well, actually, I believe it's at about 76.99. It's up there. It's up there. It's over 7,600 for sure. So, what do you guys think? $400 in one day? It's possible. I mean, if we're hitting the bull market, I mean that's nothing. If we're setting up for another bull run, but let's go ahead and continue here. The price jump experienced today comes on the hard. I'm sorry. The price jump experienced today comes hard on the heels of positive news from the G20 as well as clear signals from BlackRock. The G20 yesterday gave cryptos the green light, only calling for careful observation against fears of its use in illegal financial activities. And we know that this has definitely been an issue, more so, specifically the private coins, right? The privacy coins. How will the privacy coins fare when it comes to mass adoption? We know that this is something that centralized governments do not like, and their concerns are duly noted because there has been illegal activity, carried out with these privacy coins. I know for sure Monero has been used apparently, I guess, for some illegal transactions. I think I may have heard something like that last year. So, you know, it will happen, unfortunately. So moving on, this positive news seems to have put a stop to the sharp selling scene on the market, especially on Sunday, July 22nd. Despite the surge, the asset doesn't seem to have gone overboard, which is a sign that the rally might be sustainable over a significant period. All right, so again, how do you guys feel about this? Being sustainable over a significant period, right? So no no millionaires in a week, right? So market analysis predicts the start of a Bitcoin bull rally. Based on these positive signals, Maddie Greenspan, a senior analyst at eToro, thinks that the good times are here again for Bitcoin. In a tweet posted today, Maddie said that the Bitcoin might be on the cusp of its largest bull run in history. If this happens to be the case, then the top ranked cryptocurrency might set another all-time high. Again, we know that many analysts have been saying that Bitcoin was going to set another all-time high, as low as 25,000, some as high as over $100,000. Again, we just don't know. Now, $100,000, I'm be totally honest with you, I'm not sure about that or how soon that's going to come, but I can definitely see $25,000 very quickly during this next bull run. So we see the previous Bitcoin all-time high of 19,500 was achieved in mid-December 2017. Actually, that is a little off. Okay, the all-time high was actually on December 17th. It was 20,089. All right, that's what I was able to find. So I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, maybe but this is what I found here in my research. December 17th, 2017, 20,089. All right, so that was the highest number I was able to see during the last bull run. All right. All right. So since the start of 2018, the Bitcoin price has tumbled by more than 60% during that bear run. Bitcoin has thrice slipped below $6,000, and the top-ranked crypto has endured a barren 2018, and we know that, right? We know that most of this year the market has been quite disappointing, but again, it's an opportunity. It's an opportunity to buy, right? So buy your crypto, your favorite crypto, while it's on sale. All right, because we have to think about the people who made a fortune in this last bull run. You see, they didn't make a fortune by riding a pump, or rather, I'm sorry, chasing a pump, right? That's not how they did it, right? It was a long-term investment strategy. And a lot of these, it wasn't like they were investing millions or thousands or even hundreds of dollars at a time. $20 a week, $50 a month, over a long period of time. These are very attainable investment strategies, which ultimately led to a lot of people making a lot of money during this last bull run. So again, this is a second chance for those who were not able, for whatever reason. Maybe you didn't know about Bitcoin, because I'll be honest with you, I didn't know anything about Bitcoin until December, and honestly late December of 2017 is when I was really got into the market. So a lot of us just didn't know, and some of us who may have known, we just didn't believe, and well, needless to say, those who have been made believers and those who have come to know, well, this is the time. This is the time for you to implement your long-term investment strategy. Really, you should have already been doing that, so that when this next bull run does come, well, then you can be amongst those who make out with a lot of money. And of course, it's not all about the money. The technology is definitely great, and we know that cryptocurrency does have many benefits over fiat in regards to just a more sustainable economy by decentralizing currency. It can lead to something a lot more stable, right? A lot more stability. Cryptocurrency could definitely add to the economy. So we have here, institutional investors will eventually enter the market in droves. One of the highlights of many a discussion in the crypto space has revolved around the entry of big money players into the sector. Many analysts believe that the entry of institutional investors will likely cause a spark in the market, resulting in a sustained bull run. Again, we spoke about this yesterday, right? We see Coinbase, right, just secured a $20 billion investment, and has been rumored to actually be in the works. They're in the works of doing that again. They're meeting with other investors. That is nothing new. Now, it's not uncommon. Rather, that is not something uncommon recently. Uh, Big institutional investors are entering the crypto space, right? And I do feel that it is a result of the impending crash of the market. The market, it's not looking so great, right? So these investors are looking for more profitable ways to use their money, to use their liquid assets. So again, we have to remain abreast of these events. Um, are we due for a bull run? Q4 2018. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe it will be this year. But even if it's not this year, we know it's coming. And it's coming soon. So if not this year, maybe next year. But again, will you be ready? If it doesn't come this year, guess what? You have another year, right? Maybe you have another year to implement your long-term investment strategy. $20 a week, $50 a week, $20 a month, $50 a month, something, right? $100 a month, right? To put into your favorite coins. Of course, you know, good projects, good solid projects, right? No crap coins. We don't want to invest in crap coins hoping for a pump. That's not the way to go. All right, but if we take our money and we invest in a solid project, such as the early investors in Bitcoin, the early investors in Litecoin, the early investors in Neo, the early investors in Ethereum, right? These were solid projects, and they invested accordingly in these solid projects. Very attainable investment strategies, but it led to, you know, some big profits. All right, so um, leave it up to you. Leave it up to you guys. What do you think about this article? Is there a bull run coming? When do you think the bull run's coming? Is it going to be this year, Q4, or do you think we still got some time before we enter another bull run? Do you feel that this will be the largest bull run? I no, I certainly do. I do feel that this will be the largest bull run ever seen. Definitely, I do feel that way. So, comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And well, if you don't like it, then thumbs down. Definitely gives me an opportunity to improve, because that's what I want to do. Get better and better and better and better. All right, so with that said, this is Rodney with Blockchain Rain, and have a wonderful day.